Unraveling the mystery. Get someone's goat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a quirky and interesting phrase, get someone's goat. Have you ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what goats have to do with emotions? Well, you're in for a treat as we unravel the mystery behind this idiom, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and find out why getting someone's goat might not involve any actual goats at all. Get someone's goat is an idiomatic expression used in English to describe irritating, annoying, or provoking someone. When you get someone's goat, you've managed to ruffle their feathers, so to speak, often by finding a way to upset or get under their skin. It's a colorful way to express that someone has been made to feel annoyed or angry, but without any literal reference to goats. The origins of get someone's goat are a bit murky, with several theories floating around. One popular theory suggests that the phrase comes from horse racing. According to this theory, goats were placed in stables with racehorses to keep them calm. If someone wanted to sabotage a horse's chances of winning, they would steal or get the goat, causing the horse to become anxious and perform poorly. While this story is widely cited, definitive historical evidence is hard to come by, making it a fascinating example of how language and culture intertwine with folklore. Using get someone's goat in conversation is pretty straightforward, but it's important to remember that it's best suited for informal settings. Here are a few examples to illustrate how you might use the phrase. I hate to admit it, but his constant bragging really gets my goat. She knows how to get his goat by always being late. Try not to let his comments get your goat, he's just trying to provoke you. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to fit different subjects and situations, making it a versatile addition to your idiomatic repertoire. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the intriguing phrase, get someone's goat, looking at its meaning, possible origins, and how to use it in conversation. Remember, idioms like this one add color and personality to our language, making English vibrant and dynamic. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're a little more prepared to use get someone's goat in your English conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. See you next time.